Hello everyone, I'm Rizky Putri Juwita. I'm with my friend Azza Atta Ani, who will read the assessment that we have done. Periodontal disease is highly prevalent in the United States, with up to 90% of adults report to have gingivitis and nearly 50% of adults estimate to have periodontitis. The development of periodontal disease is initiated through a host immune response to the oral bacteria present in dental plaque. The plaque-host interaction can be mediated by daily plaque control through at-home dental hygiene. Clinical evidence has shown that electric powered toothbrushes are superior to manual toothbrushes for gingivitis reduction and plaque removal. These findings are corroborated by a recent long-term observational study which found consumers using an electric toothbrush retained 20% more teeth over an 11 years period than manual toothbrush users. Two major categories of electric toothbrushes currently available are oscillating, rotating, and sonic, and direct comparisons have shown that OR brushes provide greater gingivitis reduction and plaque removal benefits over sonic brushes. Method. The object of this random excimer blind parallel group study was to compare the efficiency of a novel UR electric reusable toothbrush with a round brush head to that of a standard soft manual toothbrush for reduction of gingivitis and plaque over an 8-week period in adult subjects with evidence of gingivitis and plaque at baseline. Assessment and outcomes. The modified gingival index and the gingival blending index were used to measure gingivitis. Rustogi modification of the Neffy plaque index was employed to measure plaque on up to 28 teeth, excluding third molar, crown, and surface with cervical restoration. Investigational products. Subject received either the OR electric reusable toothbrush with microfibrillations and round brush head, or a soft ADA manual toothbrush. All subjects received standard scarce cavity protection dentifrice. Eligibility criteria. ALSAM Research Center recruit subjects between July and September 2019. Eligibility was limited to general healthy adults 18 years of age or older who typically use a manual toothbrush as part of their at-home usual dental hygiene regimen. Subjects must have had at least 16 natural teeth with facial and lingual scorable surface. A bacillus-free brushing MGI study design. Before the baseline visit, subjects were instructed to perform their typical oral hygiene routine with two stipulations. First, at least 12 hours were to elapse between the evening oral hygiene routine on the day before the baseline visit and the at-home morning brushing on the day of the baseline visit. Second, subjects were instructed instructed to abstain from performing oral hygiene, eating, drinking, chewing gum, or using tobacco for 3 to 6 hours prior to coming to the clinic. Small sips of water were allowed up until 45 minutes prior to the visit. Safety. Safety was assessed at each study visit. Safety event data were based on subject self-report. All seriously adverse events and all oral related as were recorded, as were any non-serious voluntarily reported whole body as that had the patient.
Result from the journal we read of the population study of 110 subjects of 77 women and 33 men list. The electric brush group show a significant average change from the baseline on the 8-week compared to manual brush. While assessing treatment after just 1 week of brushing the teeth, the electric brush was found to have significantly greater plaque removal across the mouth than the manual toothbrush. Okay, conclusion: use of electric toothbrush product improve reduction of gingivitis and plaque over 8 weeks in adults with advance of gingivitis and plaque at baseline when compared with use of standard manual toothbrush. Plaque reduction benefits were apart after single toothbrushing episode and continue to increase over time. For gingival endpoint, there were over 3 times as many subjects with healthy gingiva in the novel electric brush group than in the manual brush group at week 8. Gingivitis reduction benefits were particularly pronounced in the hard-to-reach lingual surface and molar region. Their study of the novel electric brush are Wharton.
General opinion. New oscillating rotating rechargeable electric toothbrush with microvibration. 2. Manual brush for gingivitis and plaque reduction. 110 subjects were enrolled and completed a randomized controlled trial baseline mean blessing site for all subjects. Subjects using UR toothbrush showed statistically greater reduction in the number of blending sites, GBI score, and MGI scores compared with those using a manual toothbrush as early as 1 week and during the 8-week study. OR during the 8-week study. UR toothbrush also provides statistically greater reduction in all plaque size including subregions that manual toothbrush after single brushing.
And I think the use of electric toothbrush and manual toothbrush should do much to keep our teeth clean, especially on plaque and gingivitis. But it needs to be noticed the surplus and deficiency of both. Maybe that's all we can for explain. Thank you for your attention. See you.